If you ever think of starting your own ice cream business, this video is for you. Let's make this creamy, delicious ice cream together. Into a bowl, we want to introduce some milk powder, and I'm using non-dairy milk powder here. I'll be dissolving that with some warm water. You want to mix this until everything comes together. This warm water is going to help the milk powder dissolve very well. And to normalize the milk, the temperature of the milk, I'll go in with some cold water just like this. And after this stage, I'll introduce some sweetener, which is condensed milk. I advise that you do well to use condensed milk because it adds some unique flavor and a milky, more creamy taste to your ice cream. You will not regret using condensed milk as a sweetener. If you use condensed milk, do not use any type of sugar or anything again. Stay with me. You see, this is our ice cream base, and we want to have different types of ice cream flavors, and this base is going to help us achieve all of that. So we'll set this aside and we'll come up with a lot of bowls, different types of bowls and different sizes depending on the number of colors or flavors you want to achieve. We are just pouring a reasonable amount into each bowl, and we'll have about 5 bowls, meaning we are going to get about 5 different flavors and colors as well. And you love this. This is good for business. This is going to help you achieve the best. So imagine getting these flavors from one base. Yes, from one base you can achieve all of that. Now that we've just divided this into different bowl, we are going to add our flavors and color of choice. The first one we are making is vanilla. Vanilla is just raw. Vanilla is just there. Vanilla is what everybody knows. Yeah, vanilla is what everybody knows. So now that we have this, let's set it aside. We are coming to do another combo. This is coconut flavor. If you can't go through all the stress to get your coconut milk and all of that, this coconut flavor is just going to do that for you. And this is another unique flavor which you can set aside. Now let's come to the other ones that can make your business different. It will not taste like what everybody else does, okay? They will taste so different. Now I have some red food color and strawberry flavor. So this is going to give it strawberry vibes. The strawberry looks pink, right? Yeah, it looks pink. So we'll do that, and then we'll add in our flavor so it complements everything. The taste and the color will just be as we want. It will just give us the strawberry vibe. Get what I mean? Yeah, that is it. Now let's set this aside. As we progress, we are just adding in more. It's becoming more complicated, but don't worry, I'll take you through this slowly and you will understand every step. As we set this aside, we are going to be introducing another combo, and this is the vanilla and coconut flavor combo. Yeah, it's this and some yellow food color. I know you want yellow food color to go with banana flavor, but this is why it's something you can use for your business. While others expect it to be banana flavor, you are just serving them this unique taste and flavor. Yes, so we are going to do something different, and we are introducing our vanilla and coconut combo, and this is the best flavor you can ever have. Try it and come back and tell me something in the comment section. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing some tips with you, so make sure you stick. They are very important. Some tips that would help your business, or even if you want to enjoy it at home. Now this is our green food color. Yeah, we want to have some green color and just add a reasonable amount. This you can get it in the powdered form or a liquid form. It's both work very well. Yeah, so just make sure you always mix well, especially when it comes to the powdered food color. Mix very well so that you get the powder mixed very well with the water. Now I introduce some strawberry flavor and vanilla flavor. Yeah, that is it. That's what I do. Strawberry flavor and vanilla flavor. I told you vanilla is just base. Vanilla is just there. So vanilla together with other flavors is just good. Now we want to fill this up in our popsicle patch. Just like, if you want to know how or where I got this, make sure you check the description for that. And also I introduce my strawberry flavor as well. You can put it in any cup or any popsicle mold, but you enjoy it better when you put it into something like this. Also, I want you to know that it's not only corn flour or flour that makes your ice cream thick. You can make your milk or your base thick, especially when you use enough milk powder and less water, you are going to have the same feel. Let's just transfer this into the freezer. So when you add that, or you make your milk powder more than the water, it's going to help you a lot. It's going to make your ice cream come out rich, because if you don't know how to make or how to prepare the corn flour kind of ice cream, you just destroy everything. So don't be careful when you are preparing your ice cream from corn flour or cornstarch or even flour. Now our ice cream is ready, and I hope that this video helps you. Do not forget to subscribe, leave me a very nice comment, and if you don't understand anything, you can as well comment that, and I'll be glad to answer to all of that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.